Welcome. Today we are going to explore a fundamental compiler optimization technique called constant folding. Have you ever wondered if your computer does math unnecessarily? Constant folding is the process where the compiler acts smart and solves simple problems for you before your program even runs. Let's define it simply. Constant folding is a technique where the compiler identifies expressions that consist entirely of constant values, like numbers or fixed strings, and calculates their result during the compilation phase. This means the calculation happens on the developer's machine, not on the user's device when the app is running. Here is a clear example. On the left, you might write code to calculate the number of minutes in a year, 365 times 24 times 60. This is readable for humans. On the right, notice what the computer actually receives. The compiler sees that these numbers will never change, so it does the multiplication once and simply stores the final result, 525,600. Why do we do this? First, performance. The processor skips the calculation entirely at runtime. Second, code size. Replacing a long chain of operations with a single number saves space. Third, readability. You can write descriptive math in your code without worrying that it will slow down your program. This works for various types of arithmetic. Simple addition, like 10 plus 25, becomes 35. Multiplication, like 2 times pi, is pre-calculated. Even operations like bitwise AND or combining two constant strings can be folded into a single result by the compiler. It is not just for math. Compilers can also fold boolean logic. If you have an if statement where the condition is always false, the compiler knows the code inside will never run. This allows it to completely remove that block of code from the final executable, a process often linked with dead code elimination. In the compilation pipeline, this usually happens in the middle, during the analysis of the abstract syntax tree or intermediate representation. It sits between you writing the source code and the machine code being generated. It is a key part of the optimization pass. Of course, there are limits. The compiler cannot fold values that depend on user input because that information does not exist yet. It also cannot fold variables that change while the program runs or function calls that might have side effects, like reading from a database. To wrap up, constant folding is about pre-calculating static expressions. It improves performance and reduces code size by doing the heavy lifting during compilation. It is one of the many invisible ways compilers make our software efficient.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.